If you are still struggling to pass your prop account challenges or getting funded, in this video I will show you step by step how you can pass them and request your payouts next week. We will be using 1 minute time frame and we're gonna use two different indicators. Now let's add them together. Let's go to indicators tab and search for our first indicator, which is called luxalgo signals and overlays, and you will see this indicator clicked at your chart. Second indicator is price action concepts, and you will see indicator from luxalgo again clicked at your chart. After you add it, you are getting one step closer to getting funded. Now we will go to settings for the price action concepts and we will enable the volumetric order blocks, and we're gonna enable fair value gaps over here, and we will use daily, Monday, weekly, monthly and quarterly highs and lows. If you done that, hit the OK button. Now let's go to settings for the signals and overlays and change your signal sensitivity to 20 and enable ML signal classifier, disable the smart trail, and we will disable the candle coloring. So we will keep it simple but sweet, and we will pass this account in only New York AM session. Stay tuned because what I'm gonna show you will make you a great funded trader. If you made this far, I will give you a secret. Whether you are trading in your live account, whether you are trading Nasdaq futures or a Tesla stock or a gold, I highly suggest you only trade New York AM session if you wanna increase your win rate significantly, and especially if you are just starting out. Now our time frame is 1 minute and my ticker is Nasdaq futures. Now what I want to do is, the time is 9:22 and the New York AM session always starts at 9:30 AM Eastern time. We will roll the market and I'm gonna take all the signals that fits my criteria, and if you are asking what is your criteria, now you will learn how you will take your trades. And we have received the 3 classified buy signal over here. If you don't know what is 1, 2, 3, 4, I am putting on the chart so you can have an understanding of these signals. And we have the change of characters. I want to see a fair value gap, so I will roll one more candle. If I get a bullish fair value gap, and boom, I will execute my position here. How can I use the fair value gap? You can use this as your support or resistance lines. I'm gonna initiate a 2 NQ contracts here. So the closest target is here, as you can see, the volumetric order blocks. I want to take my full TP here, full TP over here, and you can put your stop loss just under the halfway of this fair value gap, or you can just simply trail your stop while the price goes. Just put it here and let's roll the market. You can also take a partial, but since we are trying to pass the challenge over here, it was so close to my stop loss. Boom, we just smashed the target and we have secured a $2,000 over here. And let's look over the next signal. As you can see that we just received a 1 classified sell signal, change of character over here, and the bearish fair value gap. And you know how it goes. You will initiate your short position here. You will put your stop loss just above the halfway of this fair value gap, and you will target the closest volumetric order block. You see how this strategy can be powerful. Less signal, but more accuracy. We will be focusing on the quality over the quantity. You will be only initiating your position when you get this confirmation. The first one is the signal. Second one is the change of character or the break of structure, and the third one is the fair value gap. Let's continue. Watch the market over here. We got a 2 classified buy signal here. We got the change of character and we got this bullish fair value gap. This time this fair value gap comes before the signal. What do you want to do? The rules are still the same. You will initiate a long position here and you will execute with the bar close. You will put your stop loss again just below this fair value gap, and you will target the closest order block, or you can target 1 to 5. This is another strategy. Taking your profits all depends on you. Personally, I always take my partial at 10 points, then let it ride the rest of the position. Let's quickly do a sum up on this strategy. We have 3 rules. The first rule is you need to get a signal. Second, you need to get a change of character or break of structure, and you need to get a fair value gap in your signal. You will put your stop loss to the closest fair value gap, and you will target either 1.5 risk reward, or you can target the previous day low, previous week high, whatever you want on the chart. And you can use the volumetric order blocks. They are highly helpful when it comes to put your stop loss or your take profit. This is what I use on my everyday setup. I highly suggest you put this on your chart and test it yourself, and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you need any settings for any ticker, you can also ask me in the comments. I will answer them one by one. Thank you guys for watching for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, I highly suggest you check out those videos over here. And until the next time, see you soon.